Jai Hind everyone. So today we are going to learn a very important topic, that is algebraic expression. So let us first understand what do you mean by algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means it is an expression combination with a variable. So let us start. For example, 3x plus 2. It is an algebraic expression. How I can say algebraic expression? Because already I told you there should be number as well as there should be coefficient, means variable. 3 what we call here, that we call as a numerical coefficient. 3 we call as a numerical coefficient, and x, it is known as variable. If you go in higher classes, then same x you will say as a literal coefficient. When you are going to study like Olympiad, all this examination, this x is known as your literal coefficient. And as of now on your level you can understand x is a variable and 3 is known as numerical coefficient, and 2 is written constant, so that is known as constant. So whenever this is known as expression 3x plus 2, what we call this as a expression. Now here, as you are able to see here, how many arithmetic signs are there? 1. As you are able to see here, plus. So suppose plus and minus, it indicates how many terms are there. Now the new topic will come, that's known as terms. As you are able to see here, terms means there are 2 terms. How I can say 3x, it is 1 term, 2 is another term. How many terms are there? 2 terms. So on the basis of terms, the algebraic expression is categorized. Now let us start. For example, monomial. It is not a single term, means only single value should be there, like 3x. As you are able to see it, 2x, that is only 1 term. 3, only in it is written 3, then it is also known as monomial. Minus 2x, it is known as monomial expression. Means there shouldn't be, it don't have anything related with sign. Minus 2x, it is 1 term. 2, 3, only constant it is written. It is monomial. 2x, it is monomial. After that, next, binomial, it consists of 2 terms. How I can categorize? 2x plus 2. Next, 3x minus 2x. It can be anything. It is not necessary that whatever it is written, that is fine. You can even say as it can be 2x square plus 3. It can be written as 3x square plus 2x. Any number it can be. Means it should be with 2 terms. How I selected that? How I identify that it is terms? You can see the sign. Plus sign is given over there. So here 2x square first term, 3 is second term. 3x square is first term, 2x is second term. So if there is 2 terms, then you can say as a binomial expression. If it is 1, then monomial. Next, trinomial. There should be 3 terms. 3x square plus 2x plus 1. 1 term, 2 term, 3 term. Next, more than 3 terms, we call as a multinomial. That expression we call as a multinomial. As you are able to see here, 3x square, 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term. Say even it can be 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term, 5 term. Even it can be 6 term, 7 term, 8 term, up to infinite term. All the terms we call as a multinomial. Now let us move to the next, that is your degree. On the basis of some of the equation you will find on the basis of degree also, like 1, 2, 3, 4 I have written. As you are able to observe that I have written here 4 expressions. By this you can categorize. Can you tell me which term it is? It is a monomial or binomial? It is a binomial because it has 2 terms. 2 terms, 2 terms, 2 terms. Now what is the highest power of this one? As how I will check the power? I will not check the coefficient, this constant term. I will check the power of the variable. What is the power of the variable? If the variable is not given, then I will understand the power is 1. So the highest power of the expression is 1, then we call it a linear expression. Next, highest power is 2, x square, then we call as a quadratic. Highest power is 3, then we call as a cubic. Highest power is 4, then we call as a biquadratic. Now let us move to the next. That is on the basis of it only. It is classified that whether we are going to do addition, subtraction, like that. Now like terms already we have deal in case of fractions. Fractions we have deal that if the denominator is same, then we call as a like fraction. If the denominator is not same, then we can say as a unlike fraction. Now in case of terms, how we are identifying? So suppose it is 2x, 3x, 4x, means the power is same, then we say as a like fraction. Power and variable. It's not like that 3x, and 4x. What is the highest power? 1. Highest power 1. Highest power 1. So these all are like terms. Next, 3x square minus 2x square. Highest power is 2. So all as like terms. Next, unlike terms. Minus 2x square, 3x. Highest power is 2. Highest power is 1. It is unlike terms. Next, highest power 2. Highest power 1. Highest power 3. Unlike terms. Because all the powers are different. Even it can be like this also. 2x and suppose I am writing 3, 1. Since the power is same but the variable is different, then also we say as an unlike term. Now let us move to the next, that how to add, subtract, multiply and division in case of algebraic expression. Always remember one key point, that unlike terms only add and subtract. Like terms only add and subtract. Unlike terms never add and subtract. Already I have written over there. Now let us move to the next, that it is written 2x square plus 3x square. Two terms I need to add. How I will add? So normal mathematics we are adding similar, it is same, but only the difference is numerical coefficient I will write as it is 2x square. Next number I will write 3x square. After that x square it will be x square. After that numerical coefficient 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 it will become your 5. Next similar 2x square minus 3x square I will write first. It is this method we are following, it is known as vertical method. 2x square, next first I will write, second number is minus 3x square minus 3x. Now x square it will be x square. Now next 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 it will be 1. But what is the highest number? Highest number is 3. What is the sign of the 3? That is minus. So here it will be minus 1 square. We are following the integer rule. Next again multiplication. Addition completed, subtraction completed. Let us go for the multiplication. Numerical coefficient into numerical coefficient only multiply. We can never multiply numerical coefficient to variable. 2 into 3. 2 into 3 6 because both are constant. Next x square into x square. Later we are going to learn about the exponent and power. Right now as you are able to see here, x square into x square. So x into x square only I multiply. So what is the highest power? 2. Highest power here it is 3. So 2 plus 2 it will become 4. Suppose in place of that, suppose it is written 2, here it is written 3, and here it will be 3. So 2 plus 3, what will be answer? 2 plus 3 5. So here I will write answer 5. Now let us move to the next. That 2x square divided by 3x square. Now how I am going to solve that? 2 and same divided by sign I will write. After that x square and x square. Both it will cancel. What is going to be answer? 2 by 3. Now next after that. Now 2x square. Now here we are dealing with monomial addition. One term I am adding. But now we are going to add the binomial addition. It can be trinomial, it can be monomial, it can be infinite. But the rule is simple. Like terms will only add. Now see here 2x plus 3 plus 4x plus 5. What I will add? Only like terms will add. 2x and 3 both are unlike terms. Now 2x and 4x like term. So 2 plus 4. Now see here how I am writing. 2x plus 3, 4x plus 5. So how I am writing in place of 2x, 4x. Means both are like terms. After the 3 near 5. Now 5 plus 3, 8 plus sign 2. 4 plus 2, 6x. Now similarly let us go for 3x square plus 6x. Now how to 3? Now in this case, now what will be the answer? Both are known as unlike terms because one power is 2, one power is x. Unlike terms will never add. So what will be the answer? 3x square plus 3x. After that 3x square plus 2x plus 5, 4x cube plus 6x. Means there are total 5 terms now I need to add. Now what is the rule? Like terms will only add. Unlike terms will never add. So how I will add? 4x cube plus 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Up to here I have written. Next number. What is number repeating? What is the like term as you are able to see here? Now, as you are able to see here, 2x and 3x, the like terms. So, remaining number I will write, and near 2x I will write 6x. Now, 5 will come directly plus sign, 2x plus 6x, 8x. After the 3x square will come as it is, 4x square, 4x cube will come down. Remaining number will come as it is. Only in case of 6x I added, because only like terms will add. Remaining number will not add. After that, suppose the question is going to be rotated or otherwise the question is going to come in the next concept. Then you can get the question in this way. Simplify if x is equal to 3. They will write the question like a 4 into x minus 2. Then how you are going to solve that question? In place of x they are telling to put the value of 3. So suppose if I am putting the 3 in place of x. 3 minus 2, how much answer is? 1. 4 into 1, 4. Similarly, already we solved in our simple equation. Same concept we are ready to apply. 3 into x plus 2 plus 2x. Now they will provide the value like x is equal to 3, a is equal to, like that they will give the value. You need to simply insert it. Now x is equal to 3. Now 3 into 3 plus 2, how much answer will be? 5. After that here 2 into x. 2x means always remember 2 into x. So 2 into 3, 6. After that 3 plus 2, 5 into 3. 3 5 is 15, 15 plus 6 is equal to 21. So similar based question you can expect in your examination and you will get it the same. I hope that you understood the linear expression equation. Thank you very much.